we're back for another day in the life. So it is currently 9:27. Probably didn't focus yet again, but I have entered in a trade and I have already talked about this trade, which will run the clip. So the goal for today is to enter in longs and target these highs right here. If you can target the top of this order block, maybe the top of maybe these highs right here. So we'll see. Currently on the daily, we have reacted out of this order block, so I'm expecting a bullish day. On the 12-hour, we are going to possibly finish bullish, so it's another bullish sign. On the 4-hour, we are reacting out of this order block right here, so I'm going to be very careful with where I'm entering trades on. But yeah, right here we are now reacting out of this 1-hour down close candle, so I am indeed expecting a reaction from here, but let's see. Now on the 15-minute, we have come back into this order block right here. So on the 5-minute, I'm looking for longs to take soon, so we'll see. And this is also a trade that I forecasted right in the beginning of the day, so I knew that I wanted to enter in longs, and that's what is currently happening. The trade is now currently still running a little bit of profit. It is at basically 1 hour. I'm targeting this 1 to 3. This is a verification take profit right there. 1 to 2 is right here, which I may take some partials right there at those old highs, but the main take profit is going to be at 1 to 3. Today I started a little bit later because I wanted to focus on actually watching the videos, taking some notes and etc. So you are going to see some b-roll of that. But yeah, not much I can say. I'm still going to watch one of the videos that I was watching. If you guys want the breakdown that I did of the trade as soon as I entered, then that's going to be linked in the description. It's a trading view link, whatever, just click on it and watch it. Today I still want to run and I still want to watch some ICT videos. So that's what I'm currently going to start doing, and let's get into it. Okay, so now the trade is running a little bit more and the DXY is currently breaking lower. Still looking to wait for the close to then move the trade to break even, because then we've already had a lot of reactions. So if price is to impulse down, it will probably break through all of this and come to this sell side liquidity. But I will wait to manage the trade and I will keep you updated. I would be expecting an impulse up from here with a lot of momentum, maybe even going to full take profit, so basically using this as an order block to impulse all the way up. But we'll see how price develops. It's currently close to this high. I wouldn't want to see it staling around. I would want to see a big impulse. So I'm currently watching an ICT video and I'm looking to see if the best scenario would be if the DXY actually breaks below this low and doesn't stale around here. It is reacting out of this accumulation right there, but I do believe that this is going to get broken through and that this low will be targeted. So right now I'm looking at that and I have my position on euro dollar still looking to move up, but yeah, no profits locked in. And yeah, we'll see. So waiting for the DXY to continue breaking lower and not staling around here. That would be bad news if we see a reaction from here, but we'll see. I may have to weather a bigger pullback towards this 15-minute order block right here that we are going to see right here, which is not what I was looking at, well, not what I was looking for, definitely. We've tapped the 2R and we've tapped the highs, so I got a little bit greedier at going for the 1 to 3, and that may come and bite me still today, so let's see. Okay, so I have just taken profits on all the trades. There is the exit. The exit was at 254, which was a 2.91R. On the challenge, it was basically challenged past. I can show you that too. In my personal account, that was a total of 2.89R that I've taken. I'm risking 1%. It was 2.89%. Do I still think that price is going to move up? Yes, and let me show you where. So I took the 1 to 3, and that to me is perfectly fine. You still have these lower possible moves on the DXY to target these lows, which I do expect to happen. So to target these lows on the DXY, I still expect that to happen. And on euro dollar, that would mean that we still would have a push up. Let's make this full screen. And on euro dollar, in my mind, that would mean that we would target these highs right here. But I'm just kind of coming out of a drawdown too. I had, I think, a 4 trade drawdown or 3 trade drawdown. And so this is kind of me booking a winning day, maybe winning week, we'll see. And I'm expecting it to be a winning week. Last week was a break-even week. So the goal was really just to make sure that I book winners too, in that I take trades quickly. I don't want to be holding trades all over and then letting a 3R pull back. Could I have taken partials? Yes, but at least like this, now I can be chill for the rest of the day. So I think this is a good way to have momentum back coming into the market. So when you come out of losing streaks or whatever it is, you do want to book these wins. You do want to have these winning days, winning weeks to get you back on track, get you back in the flow. So that was what I decided to do. That was a 2.8R, whatever you want, whatever I want to call it really. And let me show you the dashboards. Okay, so this is the challenge that I was doing, and as you can see, everything has been passed. 50% strike rate, oh my god. I still have to complete the trading days, and as you can see, basically I took a 1% loss, well 2%, but I'm risking 2%, so 1 hour loss. This was the total 1 hour loss basically. So 1 loss, 1 winner, but it resulted in passing. So yeah, so lately I've been having more of a chill approach in terms of the challenges and whatsoever. I have them just running in the background, and basically what I do, I'll keep that for another video because that's an idea that I have. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is the ASR of all the trades. I still have to ASR the previous week's winning trade, which by the way, last week it was basically minus 0.2R because it was a -1 and a plus 0.8. So I called it a break-even week, but I still have to ASR that, and yeah, let's get into it. It's a 2:30. I have to be honest here. I haven't done the ASR thus far, which is not too good, but it was because I got a package, which was nice, and it's an upgrade to the channel. But right now I'm going to do some paddle, which you're going to see soon. And then when I come back, I'll do the ASR, I'll break down the market. I'm not looking for anything else today. Really, like my target has been hit. I still think there is going to be further upside, but I've gotten a payout. I got a 3% trade. I got a challenge done. So there's no more need for me to be forcing a trade onto the market. I could enter right now in a long, let me show you. I do believe that the market may now return to these down close candles right here. So let's keep this on here. I do believe the market may react from these down close candles and then target this high. So that would be with a 9 pip stop. That would be a 1 to 2.38. So we'll see, but nothing that I'm currently entering on. I'm quite happy with the possibility of just taking a trade, 3%, and being done for today. 3% in $1 million, that would be a 30K day, and I would be off to do my thing. So the only thing that is important now is finishing the ASR, and right now I'm going to have some fun. So see ya.
We have a liftoff.
So I have been out for 3 hours. What has the market done? Absolutely nothing. So I'm not too bothered that I didn't do anything. And this is to be expected, by the way, because if you guys notice, and I started noticing this now too, which is every time the market is approaching CPI or the market is approaching some really high impact news. So normally we're talking about FOMC, we're talking CPI, we're talking NFP. The previous days, or at least the previous days and the day where the market will have those news, is always messier. And I remember, because whoever you are, you deleted the comment and I saw it. So basically I said in one of the day in the lives where I passed the challenge, it's getting so repetitive that I'm always passing challenges. I remember that one of the days that I recorded the day in the life and I said, okay, this is it now. Like, I'm not trading anymore for this week. And I think it was a Tuesday. On that Tuesday, someone said, oh, it's so dumb when people just say, oh, I'm going to stop trading for the week. And it was super funny that the rest of the week was super range bound. I think it was ahead of NFP. So I responded back saying, look at what the market did. And the market didn't do anything. So maybe if you keep this in mind, you'll notice that this does indeed happen once in a while. So between today and tomorrow's CPI, I am not trading anymore. But let me show you what the market did. Listen, I'm just going to record the trade recaps, do the ASR, and I'll be back. Okay, so just breaking down what the market did. So we have this sweep of the high, and basically I saw that on the verification, I got tagged out basically right there. So I was quite lucky on that verification stage. And then if you still remember, I said that we will possibly react out of these down close candles. Price ended up impulsing up, sweeping the high right there before impulsing down, and now it's just sloppy. And again, this is the price that I expect before CPI. And since that's the price that I expect, I wanted to take profits. I was not going to hold it to this high or even this high. We might get there through CPI, even though I'm not going to trade it, by the way, and I'm not going to put my money behind what I just said. But yeah, overall, like, I wanted to manage a little bit quicker because I don't think that the risk to reward is there in terms of holding these trades longer. Look, I was super lucky with the challenge. The fact that I passed just by the pip, it saved me so much headache. Like, seriously, I know that if for 0.1 pips I had not passed, I would be fuming. I'm going to be honest, I would be fuming. But yeah, overall, happy with how the day is going. I just recorded the trade recap and did all the ASR. If you want to see the trade recap, I'm going to put it also in the description. So it's going to be breakdown and recap. And let's do it like this. I'll also put the 0.8R trade from last week if the first person that comments with this emoji and says yes or no, because you can be the first one to comment with that emoji and say no, and I will not post it. So keep that in mind if you want to be that guy. So yeah, if you want, I'll put 3 links in the description. If you comment with this emoji first and you say no, I won't post it. But yeah, it's just a quick game there. But yeah, right now I am going for a run in half an hour. And yeah, let's see how the rest of the day goes and how the rest of the day develops. Why? Just fucking eat normal food. I had to touch the stadium, so I kept running. Bye. I don't know where I'm going. I'm almost being a hypocrite because now McDonald's really sounds nice after burning like 2,000 calories today. Okay, I have just finished. I currently also went and got some groceries. I did 8 kilometers in 45 minutes. Don't you dare judge me. Okay, and I ordered takeout. I have to be honest, I was kind of a hypocrite. I said when I went to McDonald's, I would like to eat proper food, and today I'm eating Asian, so what can I say? I'm a hypocrite. Yeah. Okay, my friends, it's currently 9:30 and I'm back in my sleeping t-shirt. So you know what this means. It's chill time. So the market didn't do anything more today. I still have to record the markup. The stock market didn't do anything today too. And why? Well, I just found out now that tomorrow not only do we have CPI, but we also have FOMC minutes. So probably today I'm not even trading because there's no need. The morning is going to be range bound and the afternoon is going to be whipsawing all around. So not really looking to trade tomorrow. I'm going to just finish the minimum trading days on the verification. I still have 2. And yeah, I think today, what can you take away from this? 1, get your ass out of your chair and go for a run. Do something that challenges you. 2, why I don't like to trade before news events and how this affects. You also saw the way that I look at the market on a quick basis too, where I was saying, okay, I'm expecting a big push up from here, and price did indeed push up, then came back down, actually then ranged and got to my take profit. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with the day. I haven't felt productive in a long time, and today was a good day for that. So I got a good video coming out next week about all this of having passed multiple challenges, not only for YouTube but also private and getting payouts and etc. I'll record that too and I'll post it next week, so make sure to stick around. If you guys want to check the prop firms that I'm currently with, so I'm funded with the Funded Trader and I'm funded with my Forex funds, then you can check the links in the description. Both of them have discount codes, whatever, and it's an affiliate link. Yeah, overall happy with today. Let's see what the market brings and be careful with news.